Okay. This tree and I want to get to know each other. He is a little strange, as you can tell. Very different from all the rest. Look, if you notice, the trees in this forest mostly look like that, but he looks like this. And I traversed many leaves and many broken branches so that I could get close. And I just need to find out a little bit more about him because he is interesting. And I feel like he's trying to speak to me from some other world. It's like a head here and some arms and a hole in the head and like a shooting flame. I don't know. I just need to know him. I just need to know him. I just need to know him. I'm gonna know him. Here we go. I'm gonna see what he feels like. Close up. No one can get in the way of me and my tree. Whoever you are, wherever you come from, the world calls to you like the wild geese and the wild trees, harsh and exciting, announcing your place in the family of things. All right, just give me a moment with my tree. You can't watch, you can look over there. I gotta feel him. This part's private. I'm sorry, I have to turn it off.